I'm Chris Romano from VMware. I'm a system engineer. I've been with the company almost 13 years, and I run the hands-on lab staff for the hands-on labs at VMworld 2013.
I'm Jeanette Burgess, and I'm a technical program manager for technical marketing for hands-on labs. And I'm here to talk to you about VMworld 2013 hands-on labs.
Yeah.
So Chris, tell me a little bit about the lab staff and what goes into preparing for VMworld.
So I worked very closely with your team recruiting these 300 individuals, and they come from all walks of life inside VMware. I've got 300 people that are system engineers, professional services, our GSS, our help desk, the people that actually talk to our customers, as well as some R&D people. So some of the smartest and brightest people are going to be walking the floor at the hands-on labs helping our customers. So that's really exciting.
Excellent. I did hear a little rumor that they're all volunteers. Is that true?
Pretty much, yep. That's it. They have to get permission from their managers to invest the extra time. It really becomes a second job for these guys in developing these very complex labs. And it's pretty exciting, and they're just as excited as our customers. That's probably the coolest thing.
That seems like it would bring a lot of passion into what they're doing because they're volunteering, right?
Absolutely.
So, I also know that our three focuses this year are on hybrid cloud, software-defined data center, and end-user computing.
Yep.
And all the labs, the 31 labs we have, are focused on those. And can you tell me a little bit more about the labs and the partner labs?
Yeah, so like you mentioned, there's 31 labs across those three topics you mentioned. Each of these is hand-built by one of our system engineers in the lab staff organization. Like I said, they invested a lot of hours in doing it, but we also have the addition of partner labs. So this year we've actually added partner labs to the extent of 7. So we've had them in the past, but we've really expanded it this year. We've got a lot of diverse partners.
So what you're telling me is that the people that are actually developing the labs, they'll be on staff?
Absolutely, yes, yeah.
That's super exciting.
It is, and even the people that are like writing code and help develop the software from our R&D organization are going to be part of this. So the customers are going to have access to a really good pool of real smart people.
That's awesome. You can actually walk in and talk to the person and ask them and say, why did you do this way?
Exactly.
And they can say, I did it this way because.
Yeah, and it's architected this way, and we had to do it, and the complexities of it and all this stuff, because there's really a lot that goes in underneath it to make these things pretty dynamic.
Well, you've been with VMware for much longer than I have. So how have you seen the maturity and the progression of hands-on labs?
Well, you know, as long as you've been here, you're a veteran, because VMware, we're just like, the growth is incredible. So the beauty of it is, in the old days, the labs are actually built by, again, volunteer system engineers using scripts to deploy virtual machines and create the labs. The manuals were in paper form sometimes, or PDFs on one screen and the lab on another. And that's just expanded over the years to where we're now deploying hundreds of thousands of labs in just a short 3 or 4 day period over the time of VMworld. So it's been really amazing growth.
This year, I know that we're, from a program standpoint, we'll be doing workshops and tours, and we also have hotspots this year. The most exciting thing about hotspots is that you can take them from anytime, anywhere, any place you are. So that means that if you're at home, you can actually sit on your sofa in your own house and take a lab, a hands-on lab. Yeah, that's something new and different. It's very exciting, yeah. So after VMworld, we'll launch that, and people will be able to access our content.
Cool.
So with that being said, let's go ahead and close. We've got a lot of work to do to prepare for VMworld. So
never ending.
Let's go ahead and close, and thank you guys all for joining us. We look forward to seeing each and every one of you at VMworld this year. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.